Hey Simply Bakers, it's Lainey and today I'm sharing with you a really delicious cake. It is great for the holidays and it's dairy free. I'm sharing with you how to make ginger cake. Also, I am working together with Hani from Hani Ella's. Today she's sharing with you how to make cranberry hand pies, and doesn't that look delicious? So after this video is done, go ahead and head over to her channel and learn how to make these yummy hand pies. So let's begin! So one thing I love about this recipe, you only need one bowl, and in the same bowl I added 3 cups of all-purpose flour, dark brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, ginger, cinnamon, and salt, half a cup of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of molasses, and 1 cup of water. And notice how I try to use the water to clean out the rest of the molasses. Use a spatula, that works better. And then grab your handheld mixer and you're going to mix until everything is well combined. And welcome to everyone who came over from Hani's channel. I hope you like something here, and please subscribe so you can get all of my latest recipes. So once you're done mixing, grab an 8x8 or 9x9 inch pan. I'm using a 9x9 inch pan and I covered it with parchment paper to make it easier to remove, and then I added the batter. Using your spatula, you're going to spread it out evenly, and then you're going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Just a little tip, the best way to check if it's done is insert a stick, and if it comes out dry, then the cake is done. So I allowed it to cool for about an hour and then I cut into the cake. So this cake is awesome. I love that it's dairy free because I have a lot of friends who are vegan and don't eat eggs or butter. So this recipe is definitely for them, and like I said, I couldn't tell a difference if it didn't have eggs or butter. It was also not on the sweet side, which I love. You can add the powdered sugar to take it to the next level of sweetness. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to check out my friend Hani, and I will see you on my next upload. Bye guys!